Kolkata, my city, world famous for its culture, people, history, food, and architecture. Today, I will show you an integral part of my city's landscape, the Victoria Memorial. Let's go for a morning walk and find out how fresh are the mornings with abundant sunshine, chirping birds, lush greenery, and how it looks when raining. In my quest to fitness and mental well-being, morning walk has always been a regime. And what better choice than the best in the city, Victoria Memorial. Spread on around 60 acres, the Victoria Memorial Gardens is the home to myriad of statues and sculptures. A grand bronze statue of Queen Victoria placed on the bronze throne welcomes the visitors at the entrance of the garden, while a stroll around the garden reveals sculptures of Lord Curzon, Dalhousie, Hastings and Edward VII. The garden, a popular destination for morning walkers, is presently maintained by 21 government-appointed gardeners. These gardens are a primary attraction to tourists and morning walkers. On a rainy day, the beauty simply manifolds and is a treat to the eyes with the widest green landscape in the City of Joy. Victoria Memorial is established in 1921 in the memory of Queen Victoria. The area measures around 57 acres in total. One needs to buy an entry ticket, which is quite affordable, to witness the grandeur and elegance. The pavements for morning walkers make things very organized, while you cannot miss the signature Victoria stones spread across the length and breadth of the premises. Victoria is undoubtedly every photographer's paradise. The gorgeous trees, flowers make up for excellent backdrops and portraits. Not to forget the top favorite of couples for pre- and post-wedding shoots. If looking for open romantic surroundings to shoot, it can't get better than in Victoria. Even I had done 2 pre-wedding photo shoots here and it's forever special to me. The beauty of Victoria is intensified further with these water bodies and beautiful birds around. The mystical pathways lead to serenity and fills your heart with peace. I tried my Hero GoPro for an underwater footage like always. Look how ecstatic it looks from here. A living painting, isn't it? Another charming Taj, a poem in marble, the finest building in Bengal, are some of the literary tributes that have been paid to the Victoria Memorial, which overlooks the southern landscape of Kolkata. It is a gravely sinful act not to visit the Victoria Memorial when you are in a city of joy. The sparkling white marble beauty, a symbol of the British Raj in India, is one of the most majestic and elegant monuments not only in Calcutta but the entire country. The grand structure and epitome of beauty and grace reflects the brilliant Indo-Saracenic architectural style that breathed in that era. This video is a small attempt to pay tribute to one of my top favorite places in my city. You can watch my entire playlist of Kolkata with Khushi for videos dedicated to Calcutta. Have you ever wondered why is a local place special to you? It's related to a memory. Well, the good ones are always more special. I love this section in Victoria, where I run on the track as well as dive in deep thoughts looking at this water body around. When you have time in hand and visit Victoria, don't forget to visit the beautiful museum and the galleries. With over 25 galleries including the Central Hall, the Calcutta Gallery, the Portrait Gallery, the Sculpture Gallery, National Leaders Gallery, Royal Gallery, the Victoria Memorial owns a worthy and commendable collection of rare creative works, antique books and noteworthy artifacts. In the evenings, the peace is unmatched. And I love visiting here during weekends when I'm looking for a mini date with nature. So this was my heartfelt tribute to Victoria Memorial, my forever favorite. Please pour in your thoughts in the comments down below. Which place is your favorite in your city? Which local place you want me to cover next? I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now.